Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Hawaiian Christmas is probably one of the most enchanting and unique ways to celebrate the festive season, trading snow for sand and chilly winds for warm ocean breezes, offering a truly unforgettable experience that blends traditional holiday cheer with the vibrant aloha spirit, creating memories that sparkle brighter than any tinsel and resonate with the warmth of island hospitality. Number 5. SSLR Men's Flamingo Hawaiian Shirt. Discover the perfect blend of style and comfort. It's designed to make a statement wherever you go, offering a fresh look for any occasion. Featuring a playful flamingo pattern, it brings a touch of tropical paradise to your wardrobe. This unique design ensures you stand out from the crowd. Its short sleeve, casual button-down style offers a relaxed yet fashionable look. You can wear it open over a tee or buttoned up for a classic feel. Ideal for summer days, beach outings, or any casual gathering. It is your go-to for warm weather adventures and relaxed moments. Experience ultimate comfort with its lightweight fabric, perfect for staying cool. It combines ease of wear with eye-catching aesthetics, keeping you comfortable all day. What we like. This pack offers vibrant flamingo designs perfect for a laid-back vibe. If you're looking for versatile, stylish shirts for multiple occasions, this is an excellent choice. Its comfortable fit and eye-catching pattern make it ideal for beach parties or casual outings. What people say. No reviews available from the provided source. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to extract points. Number 4. PHOGARY 8-Pack Hula Skirt Costume Kit. Get ready to embrace the spirit of Hawaii with this complete costume kit. It's perfect for any luau or themed celebration, ensuring you stand out. This generous 8-pack provides everything you need for a group or multiple occasions. Each set is designed for a full, festive look. Dance the night away in style with its vibrant and flowing hula skirt. It's comfortable and designed to move gracefully with you. Complement your skirt with the beautiful flower bikini top. It adds an authentic touch of island elegance to your ensemble. No Hawaiian outfit is complete without a traditional lei. This kit includes one to perfectly finish your festive look. Whether it's a luau, beach party, or just a fun gathering, this kit is your go-to. It brings the joy and color of the islands to any event. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for an authentic Hawaiian luau experience. If you're planning a themed party or need a full outfit for a performance, this set has you covered. Its all-inclusive nature ensures you'll be ready to dance the hula in style. What people say. No product reviews were supplied in the source. Unable to select helpful points without source content. Number 3. Zeagoo Hawaiian Shirts for Women. Discover the perfect blend of comfort and style. These blouses feature a vibrant tropical floral design, bringing a touch of paradise to your wardrobe. Designed for ease, they come with a classic button-down front. The short sleeves offer a relaxed fit, ideal for warmer weather. Perfect for sunny days and sandy shores, these shirts are your go-to for summer adventures. They're lightweight and breathable, ensuring comfort all day long. Planning a getaway? These tops are a must-have for any vacation. They pack easily and provide a chic, relaxed look for your travels. Experience ultimate comfort without compromising on style. They are versatile pieces that can be dressed up or down for any casual occasion. What we like. This shirt features beautiful tropical floral patterns tailored specifically for women. If you like feminine designs and comfortable wear for your summer getaways, this blouse is a perfect match. Its elegant yet relaxed style makes it great for beach vacations or resort wear. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews to get helpful points for a buying decision. Number 2. Oh. Nuts Dried Fruits and Nuts Gift Basket. Searching for an exceptional present? This gourmet gift basket is an ideal choice for any occasion. It brings joy and deliciousness to your loved ones. Inside, you'll find a delightful selection of premium dried fruits and wholesome nuts. It offers a perfect balance of sweet and savory flavors for everyone. Each item within is individually packed and sealed to ensure maximum freshness and taste. You can enjoy every bite as if it were just picked. This exquisite collection is proudly crafted right here in the USA. It reflects a commitment to quality and attention to detail. Presented in a beautiful green box, it makes a stunning visual impression. This elegant packaging adds to the overall gifting experience. What we like. This gourmet basket offers a delicious and healthy selection of dried fruits and nuts. If you're searching for a thoughtful, ready-to-share gift, this individually packed assortment is fantastic. Its fresh, high-quality contents make it perfect for holiday gatherings or as a healthy snack option. What people say. Number 1. SSLR Men's Christmas Hawaiian Shirts. Get ready to spread some holiday cheer with our festive collection. These shirts are designed to bring joy and laughter to any occasion. Featuring vibrant Santa Claus and tropical patterns, they perfectly blend holiday spirit with a relaxed Hawaiian vibe. You'll stand out in the best way possible. Whether it's an ugly sweater party, a tropical Christmas gathering, or just a casual holiday event, these are your go-to choice. They ensure you're dressed for fun. Crafted for comfort, you can enjoy your celebrations without any fuss. They are lightweight and breathable, making them ideal for any festive activity. Designed specifically for men, these shirts offer a stylish yet playful look. They are perfect for anyone wanting to embrace the holiday season with a unique flair. Don't just wear a shirt, wear a conversation starter. Grab yours today and be the life of the Christmas party. What we like. This unique shirt combines festive Christmas cheer with a tropical Hawaiian twist. If you want to stand out at an ugly sweater party or bring humor to your holiday celebrations, this is your go-to. Its playful design ensures you'll be the life of any Hawaiian Christmas event. What people say. No relevant positive points found in the provided empty source. Therefore, cannot fulfill the request to select 2 to 3 points. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.